Yes, guys, fried chicken back, fried dumpling. Hi guys, welcome back to Howwerowe Cooks. It's your girl Marceline here once more, and today I'm gonna be making some fried chicken back. Going to school, this was like a holy grail at lunchtime. Everyone used to line up for them fried chicken back and fried dumpling. So that's what we're gonna create today. So if you're new to the channel, don't feel shy, just go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, all right? And let's make some fried chicken back. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna remove the bloody parts in these areas, in here and in here, and then I'm gonna remove the fat, and I'm gonna take off some of the tail. My husband loves this part. Some people call it chicken batty, but we all know it's not the chicken batty, it's a tail, and it tastes good to him when it's curried. So I'm gonna leave some of them with it and cut some off, but I'm just gonna take out these sections that are not good. It's just bloody areas. All right, so we're just gonna remove this, wash it with some vinegar, and then we're gonna come back and season this. One thing about the chicken back in Jamaica, we always get some nice fleshy part on it. You know, piece of the breast or something, piece of the thigh, but this is just mostly bones and fat. So I think I prefer the chicken back in Jamaica. And as I said, I'm just gonna cut off at the tip of the tail, just the tip, and the fatty areas. So you see these sections, you gotta remove them. Now guys, look at this. This is what came off the chicken back. Almost the same amount as what I'm gonna use. A lot of fat, as I said. Guys, so quick and simple. I'm gonna add some eggs on it. I've already beaten 2 eggs just to give it a nice crisp on the outside and to help the seasoning to stick to the chicken back as well. I'm gonna add some spicy Cajun, not a lot because I'm gonna add some in the flour. I'm gonna add a little slappy mama. And finally, my Creole seasoning. About a tablespoon of Creole seasoning and some cayenne pepper. Add a little spice. We're just gonna rub up everything. I'm not gonna let this marinate, I'm gonna cook it right away. If I was gonna let this marinate, then I would add the egg after the marination. But I'm gonna do this right away, so I just add everything. As you can see, nicely seasoned. So right here I have my sazon Goya, and this is the box that it comes in. You see my fried chicken already, you know this seasoning. It gives the fried chicken a nice pretty color. So that's the only thing that I normally add in the only season I normally add in my flour, and along with pepper. So more pepper in here. gonna add some cornstarch to give the chicken a nice crisp. So while my oil is heating up, we're just gonna go ahead and flour some of our chicken back.
So here I go again with my favorite pot, my Dutch pot. This pot cooks some good curry, some good fried chicken, oxtail, everything we cook in a pot here, even rice and peas sometimes. So as you can see, I shake off the excess flour and put them in my oil, and then I cover them. That's how I fry my chicken. I cover them and allow them to cook on the inside. So as you can see, it has a beautiful color and it's nice and crispy. Yeah, I know it's chicken whack, it don't have a lot of meat, but it's very flavorful, guys. Trust me when I tell you that. And the sauce is gonna top it off. Alright, so I always talk about when you're frying chicken, if your oil gets dirty, don't continue using it because it's going to get your other batch of chicken burnt. So what I'm gonna do is just pour it off in a different pot. You can just, normally I use the same pot, but I was doing a quick cooking, you know, I was on the fast go, so I just pour off the clean part of the oil in a different pot and continue with my frying. That way all my chicken can look beautiful and not burn up, because the flour that's settled in the bottom of the pot, that will surely burn your chicken and you really don't want that. And I was multitasking and frying my dumplings as well over on the other pot.
So guys, it's all done. My fried chicken back and fried dumplings. And this is the nearest thing I have to pepper sauce. I had some Jamaican pepper sauce, but they use it up very, very fast. So I'm gonna mix this with the ketchup to eat with my chicken back, just like school days. So guys, this is how we used to get it at school gate. Yes, in plastic bag with a fried dumpling and a ketchup and a hot sauce. Yeah, but I can do it just like that. Nice, guys. Bring me back to my teenage years. Try it and let me know in the comment section. Make sure you put a lot of ketchup and hot sauce on it. Tastes really good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what was your favorite lunch at school gate as a young girl or boy. All right, bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed us yet, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Bye. Thank you.